Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Dialogue, Speak Smart. Think Global. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sophie. Today's topic might sound simple, but it's something that connects us all: daily house chores.
Talking about chores helps you sound natural in English. And let's face it, everyone, no matter where you live, has to clean something.
In this episode, we'll teach vocabulary, real dialogues, grammar, cultural stories, and fun challenges, plus role plays so you can speak along.
And remember, if you're new, hit subscribe. And share this with a friend who also wants to sound natural in English.
Okay, grab your imaginary broom. Let's dive in. Repeat after us, and try to picture each chore as you say it. Make the bed. Do the laundry. Fold the clothes. Wash the dishes. Dry the dishes. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Vacuum the carpet. Wipe the table. Take out the trash. Dust the shelves. Water the plants.
Great! Now, let's use them in full sentences. Every morning, I make the bed and open the windows. On Sundays, I do the laundry and fold my clothes. After dinner, I wash and dry the dishes.
Notice, we use do with laundry but wash with dishes. Small details that sound natural.
Your turn. Comment with 2 to 3 things you do every day. We'd love to see how your routine looks. Let's hear a real conversation between two friends.
Hey, what chores did you do today?
I vacuumed the living room, wiped the table, and watered the plants. You?
I did the laundry and took out the trash. Tonight, I still need to wash the dishes.
Now, let's slow it down. Repeat these. I vacuumed the living room. I took out the trash. Tonight, I still need to.
Repeat a few times. Focus on linking sounds. Took out sounds like took out.
Practice aloud, and imagine you're really talking to a friend. That makes it stick. Let me tell you about the time I learned why knowing the right cleaning method matters. A few years ago, I spilled grape juice on my white carpet right before guests arrived. In a panic, I scrubbed hard with hot water, and instead of cleaning it, I spread the stain and made it bigger.
Oh no, that sounds stressful. What happened next?
I covered it with a rug, thinking no one would notice. But later, my friend accidentally kicked the rug away, revealing a huge purple circle. We both laughed so hard, but deep down, I was mortified.
So what did you do?
The next day, I looked up professional cleaning tips. I learned sometimes blotting gently with cold water is better than scrubbing. And using special carpet cleaner instead of dish soap matters.
That's a great real-life lesson. Don't panic, act calmly, and know your vocabulary, like blot, scrub, stain remover.
Have you ever had a cleaning fail? Share your funny stories below. It helps everyone learn, and it makes our community closer.
Remember, mistakes help us learn faster. And they make the best stories, too. Did you know? In many Asian countries like Japan and Korea, it's normal to remove your shoes before entering. It keeps the floors clean and shows respect.
And in Latin America, big family cleanups often happen on Saturday mornings, with music playing loudly. Cleaning becomes a family ritual rather than a boring task.
In the UK, it's common to quickly tidy up if someone says they're dropping by. It doesn't mean deep cleaning, just making it look presentable.
In Scandinavian countries, there's a concept of hygge, creating coziness. Part of that is keeping your space clean so it feels warm and welcoming.
And in the US, some parents give kids allowance for helping, teaching responsibility and money skills at the same time.
Interesting, right? Different places, different habits, but everyone does some cleaning.
What about in your culture? Do kids help? Is it daily or weekly? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear.
When we talk about habits, we use present simple. I vacuum on Saturdays. She does the laundry every week. They take out the trash at night.
Notice. He, she, / it needs an S. He vacuums, she mops.
Common mistake, forgetting the S. Say it out loud. My brother vacuums.
Practice. I, every morning. She, the plants.
Answer. I sweep every morning. She waters the plants.
Time to practice writing. Writing helps you think in English, not just translate.
Here's your challenge. Write about your daily or weekly chores. Use today's vocabulary and add time expressions. Example 1, Basic. Every morning, I make my bed and open the curtains. After lunch, I wash the dishes. On Sundays, I vacuum and do the laundry.
Example 2, Advanced. I usually start my day by making the bed and watering the plants. In the evening, I tidy up the living room, wipe the table, and take out the trash so the house feels fresh the next morning.
Want extra challenge? Use adverbs usually, often, sometimes, rarely, always.
Example. I usually mop the floor on weekends, but sometimes I skip it if I'm too tired.
Now it's your turn. Write 3 to 5 sentences and post them in the comments. We'll give feedback and maybe feature yours in the next episode.
Writing daily builds fluency. Even short texts help. Give it a try.
Roleplays help you think fast in English, just like real life.
Hey, Daniel. How do you feel about dividing the chores this week?
Sure. I can vacuum and water the plants. Do you want to handle the laundry?
Sounds good. Maybe I can also mop the floor on Saturday. Can you take out the trash every night?
Of course. And let's both clean the kitchen after dinner.
Notice we used can, maybe sounds good, natural English.
Now, imagine you live with a friend. Create your own roleplay. Record it or write it out.
Pro tip. Switch roles and try again. It helps you learn both sides of the conversation.
And share your roleplay in the comments. Practicing out loud makes your English real, not just passive knowledge. Fun fact, in a lifetime, people spend about 3 years doing house chores.
Quiz. 1. Which verb? Make or do the bed. 2. True or false? She do the laundry every week. 3. Name a chore you enjoy.
Comment your answers below, we read them all.
Cleaning doesn't have to be boring. Turn it into language practice.
For example, listen to podcasts like this one while you mop or fold clothes. You'll learn without even noticing.
Or make a game. Can I finish sweeping before the song ends? Fun and motivating.
Another tip, describe what you're doing in English out loud. Now I'm dusting the shelves. I'm wiping the table next.
This builds thinking in English. No translation needed.
You can even teach someone else. Explaining in English helps the vocabulary stick.
What do you do to make chores fun? Share your tip in the comments. Someone else might find it helpful too.
Remember, language learning is everywhere, even when you're folding socks.
Your challenge. Teach today's vocabulary to a friend or family member.
Teaching helps you remember better than just studying alone.
Or film yourself saying, "Today I vacuumed and watered the plants," and share it.
Today we learned daily chores vocabulary, present simple grammar, cultural tips, stories and roleplays, writing and pronunciation practice, fun quiz and challenge.
Which part did you like best? Comment below. And tell us your most hated or loved chore.
Don't forget, daily English practice turns small habits into fluency.
Subscribe, like, and share. Help your friends learn too.
Thanks for joining the Daily Dialogue. Speak smart. Think global.